A man is standing facing south. In which direction will he face if he makes 1.5 revolution clockwise and 3/4 revolution anti-clockwise? See, this person is facing southward and then it moves full one circle and then again half circle. So then he will be facing upwards. So that will be his final direction. If he makes a 3/4 revolution anti-clockwise, then see it starts from here and then moves anti-clockwise 3/4. So then he will be facing this side. So what is this side? West. He will be facing west. So that's it regarding this up to 25. Remaining 5 will be solving in the next video. You can download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. You can also get soft copies of 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. This is a separate paid version. You can follow us on Facebook on this link. You can WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. So keep studying, keep watching. We also have our videos on tables from 2 to 20 and squares up to 20. I suggest you learn by heart the tables up to 20 and squares up to 20 for yourself to succeed further in your life in mathematics. Because what you can do is you can start that video and sing the tables after that video on a daily basis. Do it on a